Hi guys, how are you all? In the previous videos, I said some of the questions and also the methods how to solve the questions and also the related topics. If you are not watched that video, please go back and watch the video after this video watching or before watching. Today, I would like to describe the question largest word in the sentence. In this, we need to they give one sentence and we need to find the largest word in the sentence and also print it. So sentence means we are all know that it is a string, so the input is string and the output is also a string. Here input is sentence and the output is word. Assume all the words are at different length words need to be taken, right? Okay, test case 1 is input is it is a pleasant day today. Output what we need to get is pleasant. In the test case 2 we need to get input is tomorrow you will come. Output you want to get tomorrow. Let me explain with the explanation. See, here we need to take input as string, so we are taking the input it is a pleasant day. What how we can divide into different parts by using split operator. Split function we can divide it. I will say our split function later in the bonus tip, but as of now to solve this question use this. By default after splitting function it is the list will be stored. If we want to specify the list outside we can also specify it. Here s is a sentence, so s dot split function is used and the separator is space separator is used. After splitting then it is assigned to the variable e. Now then the e becomes it is a pleasant day today, so we need to hear today, right? Okay, it is a pleasant day today. And after splitting it by using sorted function we are ordering it according to its length. We all know that length is a function which calculates number of lengths, number of variables like that. Here the length is 1 2 2 3 5 and 8. So based on the length function it will makes so by default it makes in ascending order, so it will increase like this. After that in order to get the largest word we will get we will get e of minus 1, so it is a negative indexing. From e of minus 1 we get the largest word. Okay, so this is the one you need to keep in mind, that we need to take a sentence and we need to split it. It will useful in many other programs also too. If we want to do something by using words of a sentence we need to use split function. According to the separator we need to use, if there are a comma or something else we need to use split function before comma, like that in parameter need to be used. And it contains dot s dot split, like automatically it will comes into list. After that if you want to sort in ascending order or descending order we can do it. If you want to do it descending order, comma reverse is equal to true is to be there, taken. I will discuss in bonus tip of it. Okay, bonus tip of it. Okay, let me go into the programming to discuss this. See, we need to take one input. We are all know that how to take input. S is equal to input. String input must be taken like this. S is equal to int of input means that is integer input. But if you want to take string input, we just take input like this. And after that, we are using L is equal to, we are assigning L that list of, we are using list and we are separating it by using split operator. Split, and we need separation based on space. Okay, after that after splitting we are assigning that L is equal to sorted off. We are using sorted function. L comma what the key we are using, how to sort them by using length. By using length we need to sort them. After sorting what we want to use, print it. How we want to print it, what we want to print, we want to print the last one means negative indexing -1 need to be printed. Okay, we will run it. See, we need to give it is a pleasant day today. And what is the output? Pleasant. We got the output present, right? Yes, right. We got pleasant as output. See, we need to take this sentence and we need to split by using separator space, and we want to store in list function. After that, we need to do sorting by using sorted function based on the length, and we need to print out. After that, second one is again I want to press run, and tomorrow you will come. And the output is tomorrow. Okay, have you all understood? Okay, I would like to say how some companies say write function on your own like that. If some companies give like this, some companies like give like this, write function according to it, it's the rule. So we need to use this variables only. We can declare another variables when we really need it, but we shouldn't replace it. How we will write? I will show you. As we are as already given that s is their input, and they are calling function largest word by giving parameter s. After that, the same see, it is always above. Call function is above, then calling function in Python, and the parameter here argument becomes l. So we need to do output based on l. So the same thing, right? Here l is an input, so we need to store, sorry, l is equal to list of l dot split, and we are using l is equal to the same function where we are using, but we want to use according to the argument. Please put in mind that. Okay, key is equal to length. After that, return what we want to return, where that we are printing l -1, right? Here also we are printing the same. See, let me run. It is a pleasant day today. What is output? Pleasant. Again I am running. Tomorrow you will come. Output is tomorrow. Okay, have you got how to write code for it? Okay, let me explain the bonus tip, that is some functions and something what we want to use. Here I would like to explain according to our question: sorted function, split function, indexing operation, something, right? Sorted function. What is sorted function? Syntax is sorted of iterable, key is equal to key, reverse is equal to reverse. This is the syntax. If you don't remember, no issue, I will explain you. See, here sorted is with their l na, so it is a iterable. In ours it is a list, so list is iterable. List is iterable here, and key in ours we use length, right? So here it is length in our example, so we can make according to our question. We didn't use reverse in our example. We can use reverse is equal to true, reverse is equal to false. By default, reverse is equal to false. What is mean by reverse is equal to false? Reverse is equal to false means it is ascending order. Reverse is equal to 2. If you want to specify, it must be printed in descending order. So we need to specify, then reverse is equal to true. That means sorted of iterable, we can use list here. And key is equal to, at what basis we need to do, reverse is equal to true, that need to be done. And split function is used to split something. And the syntax is separator comma maximum split method split the sentence into the list. We have the method, right? We have the sentence split, right? It is a pleasant day today. We can split into the list by using separator space, okay? And maximum split means how many times you need to split. So many times we don't use maximum split parameter, we just, it is an optional one, we just use separator. Split is separator, okay? And then it is a hi, how are you, it is a sentence. So we need to split based on space, so we are using L is equal to, it is a sentence, by using dot operator split is done. Split is done. And after that the list becomes like this. If we use the sentence like this, and we can use hash symbol according to the, we are separating by using hash, right? So we can use it. So by using hash we can split. Maximum split means one, we need to doing split by using only one, so then it becomes like this. We don't use maximum split mostly. And after that I discussed indexing operation. S minus 1 returns the last word in the list. If you don't understand, please visit last and second last video. In that I have explained the indexing operation, sliding operation nicely. Please go and watch the video. Thank you so much. I hope you understand this question. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and watch the videos in it. You will get some idea how to solve the question. It will helps you a lot. These are some of important questions, and I have taken some similar questions which are taken in exams as per my knowledge. So please watch all the videos in it. Please share it to your friends. Thank you so much.